morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Around the World in Pancakes, chapter number 5. So, here in this chapter, as from the name, we can indicate that around the world in pancakes means something is related to pancakes. So, let us begin the chapter. So, Around the World in Pancakes, chapter number 5 by Siddharth Mehta. People all over the world have at least one thing in common. It's something we all have to do in order to survive, something we usually do about 3 times a day. The answer, of course, is eating. Yes. So people all over the world, what we do, the people all over the world do at least one thing in common. There is one thing in common among all the people around the world. It is that eating. Okay, it is something which we do 3 times a day. That is eating. If you think about all the different cultures in the world today, it is easy to see that there is one characteristic that is common to all: the act of people cooking and coming together for a meal. Now, if we all think about the different cultures in the if we think about all the different cultures in the world, it is easy to see that there is one characteristic that is common to all. Yes, there is one characteristic that is common to all the people in the world, that is the act of cooking and coming together for a meal. Means coming and eating together, and the act of cooking. This is common all over the world. Regardless of where people stay, in climate cold or warm, on every continent, the one room that all homes have is the kitchen. Okay? Regardless of the place where people stay, the climatic condition and everything else, there is one common room is there in every house, and that is the kitchen. This is because cooking, or rather food, is an important part of what brings and keeps people together. Yes, it is an important part of our life. No, if we don't eat, we won't survive for a long time. So it brings people together. When we sit down to eat together, or the people, we sit down in a dining table and eat together. And although there are many differences between the people and their kitchens in different parts of the world, there is one culinary item that is common to all. And it is so simple that the answer generally escapes everyone. Any guesses? So although there are different kinds of kitchens in all over the world, and there are different kinds of kitchens, but there is one thing related to cooking that is common to all, the people, and it is so simple, and the answer is so simple. So do you have any guesses? So means there is one item which is common to all the people. Do you have any guesses? So bread, some may say. Some may say that bread. Bread, some may say. But before bread, there was something even simpler and arguably even tastier. So before bread means, so many of the guesses may be answered like this: yes, bread. It's a common thing. But before bread, there is something which is more tastier, which is more simpler and tastier. The humble pancake. Surprising, isn't it? But if you think about it, nothing could be easily made, easily consumed, and universally enjoyed as a pancake. Yes, it is the pancake. Before bread, the even tastier thing is the pancake. Isn't it surprising? Yes. But if you think about it, nothing could be easily made, we all know. If we are to eat something, the item cannot be easily made, it cannot be easily consumed also, and universally enjoyed as a pancake. Means pancake is easy to make, easy to eat also, and means consume it, and then to enjoy also. It's very enjoyable eating a pancake. You will enjoy eating a pancake. Try to imagine yourself in a tropical environment, such as on a beach in Thailand, or in the cold frosty plains of Poland, or even in the faraway Andes. mountains. The only thing you are sure to be survived in all of these places, although with different sauces and toppings, is a pancake. Wherever you go, see, everything is a form of pancake. No, whether means the writer is telling to means trying to say by this that try to imagine yourself. Let us imagine ourselves on a tropical environment in the beach, Thailand, wherever we go. The one common thing is the pancake. Whatever forms of food we eat, all are the forms of pancake. When discussing pancake, the first thing we must do is to answer an important question: what is a pancake? When we discuss about pancake, one important question may come into our mind, and that what is a pancake? If you look at the word pancake itself, the meaning seems obvious. Means if you look at the word pancake, the meaning will come out from here only. Pan and cake means the cake which is made on a pan, made with the help of a pan. While this is the basic definition of a pancake, there are many different ways in which pancakes are made. Yes, there are many different ways by which pancakes are made. People from different parts of the world use different ingredients, different techniques, and even different utensils to make pancake. Different means people of different parts of the world use different ingredients, and different types of pancakes are made along with different ingredients and also different utensils. Of course, this means that each type of pancake will taste very different depending on how is it made. Yes, of course, all the types of pancakes will be very tasty depending on the process how it is made. If you made it very well, make it in a means very properly, then it will taste good. Some may not even be sweet. For example, have you eaten a dosa? That is a kind of savory pancake that people in southern India eat for breakfast. Yes. So, have you ever eaten any dosa? If you have eaten, then you know the taste. It's not sweet. Some pancakes are not even sweet, but then also the process means each and every pancake is different from the other, and the process, the way you make is different, and the taste will depends on how properly you make the pancake. Okay, so the dosa is a savory pancake, means it is spicy or salty type. Okay, it's not sweet, but then also it tastes very good. So today this much only. Next part will take in the next class. I will explain the next portion of the story. So this much you go through the story and try to understand what I've said.